So now in order to sync your DSM tool with your eBay account, you're going to come over to your name, go to settings. That's going to bring you to this screen. You're going to scroll down, click on eBay, and then you want to click and sync with eBay. Now there are different countries and different eBays that you connect with. Mine is ebay.com, so I'm going to sync with eBay and let the system work, and you're going to have to re-sign in. And go back through all the agreements. And again, this is if you had an error and you weren't connected. So now you have successfully connected your eBay token. So now we are good. Alright, so you just set up your eBay policies. What you need to do next is come into, again, your settings, and you need to go to your lister. And now we need to plug in these policies into DSM tool. So you're going to go here and just fill in your default policies, and remember they were up here in templates. Okay, and you're going to lister, and you're going to refresh that list so it connects. Okay, these are successfully refreshed. So now your policies are in place. Now you can add those policies to a specific supplier. Again, I'm going to type in AliExpress, probably faster to find it. Okay, and now you see that this supplier has these policies in place, and I'm going to create that. So now I have an AliExpress policy in place. Now if I want to change my store, I'm going to have to go to eBay, do a new policy for, let's just say, Walmart. It would be faster shipping there. So if I import products from Walmart into my eBay store, it'll automate into those shipping policies. So you want to click update. That's basically save, and everything's ready to go. And now you are ready to list your first item. Go to the next video to learn how to list your first item.